How to redeem a code in Hunting Sniper. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're playing Hunting Sniper and want to redeem a code, then first of all, open the Hunting Sniper app on your device. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner from the home screen. Now in the pop-up, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to the Game option at the top and from the bottom, choose Redemption Code. Now enter your redemption code in the text box appearing on the next page. Type in your redemption code exactly as it appears. I'm just typing in some random letters over here. This is not the original redemption code. After typing it down correctly, click on Redeem at the bottom. Now if your code is correct, you'll be able to successfully redeem your code. Now you can go ahead and collect your rewards if the code is correct. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.